Easy to assemble. By following the easy step-by-step instructions provided, easily install by securing to your crank arm using convenient hand knobs. No tools or extra hardware required. Versatile. This bike wheel holder makes it easy for you to carry one fat bike on your Swagman XTC2, XTC2 TILT or XTC4 platform-style bike rack. It will also work on Swagman XC2 and Swagman Traveler XC2. Worry-free security. No need to worry about your fat tire shifting around or have to use excessive bungee cords on your fat bike racks. The wheel holder comes with great quality extra long rubber straps that firmly secure fat bike wheels to the holder. Safety in use. The fat bike rack adapter has an upturned loop which prevents it from accidentally rolling off during loading. Affordable upgrade. For just a little extra, easily upgrade your existing Swagman fat tire wheel holder or a lower-end bike rack adapter. Note: maximum capacity of 35 pounds per bike. That philosophy was the intention of founders Jim and Jan Morris, who saw an opportunity to create a better way to transport your bike back in the early 90s. Swagman was one of the first companies worldwide to design and market a hitch-style bike rack. Over the years, that small bike rack company based in the Okanagan Valley of British Columbia grew to include numerous other groundbreaking designs in the North American bicycle, RV and automobile markets. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect for my Mongoose fat tire bike. Love that these just slid on in place of the standard size that came with my Swagman hitch-connected bike carrier.